Hi, I am super pleased to be sharing with you this easy to make breakfast from Ghana. Rice pudding, popularly known as rice water, is on the menu today. The primary ingredient for this recipe is rice, water, salt, and sugar. The rest are all jazz. So I washed my rice and then set it on fire with salt. Let me say that this recipe doesn't need much rice. I cooked for the two of us, myself and Nanecha, and I used about 4 spoonfuls of raw rice. If your family is large and you are fortunate to use an older rice, a more than they call for more water. You will be amazed at the quantity you will get at the end of the day. So when all was said and done, this is the quantity that we had. I don't like lukewarm food. I love my food to be super hot when eating. But when it comes to rice water, I don't do that, because if I serve it hot with the sugar and the milk, it will end up being watery. So I allow my rice water to cool off almost completely before I begin eating with the sugar and milk. How do you prevent your rice water from being watery whilst eating? I want to learn from you, so share that with me in the comment section. Until I drop another video on your screen. 1. Please subscribe to be a part of this wonderful family. 2. Leave your thoughts in the description area. 3. Keep hope alive. And 4. Whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me and my household.